Good afternoon. This is Ivy. I just want to give a word of caution and some bit of education about this COVID-19 situation that we find ourselves in. It's becoming increasingly scary for some of us who deal with COVID patients on a daily basis. But I believe as a group, this is the time to show love, show care, and understanding among ourselves. For the past 3 weeks, from where I work, I've realized that the usual symptoms that we know, the sort of flu-like symptoms, though still there, have not been the common presentation for most of the patients who tested positive. I've had a couple of friends, colleagues, who have come to me with just a sudden onset of anosmia, which is change of smell. And screening about 20 of them, none turned negative, all turned positive. What I will encourage is, especially with the females, when we go to the markets, carry your alcohol rub with you, the ones that you can spray. When they put all those things in those black polythene bags, just spray them before you put them in your car or whatever means of transport you are using. When you go to the salons, carry your own towels. Insist that the hairdresser is in mask, you are also in mask. If it is possible to sort of less frequently go to such places, it will be of good outcome for you. Now, ladies can wear their wig caps and all that, so I think we can do away with salons most of the time, if it's possible. But if it's not possible, just make sure that you go with your own towels. Again, when you visit the ATMs, carry your own alcohol rub. This one dries faster. You spray it, or if you want to use a toothpick, you use it. After that, discard the toothpick. The money you take from the ATM, don't just use it. Spray it with the alcohol rub. I know what I'm talking about. A lot of bankers are turning positive. A lot of tellers are turning positive. Just today, I have to deal with 3 big banks, 2 in Accra, 1 in Kumasi, and it's so disheartening when you have to take somebody to an isolation center and the person is begging you that, doctor, I don't want to go. Others even don't believe what is happening. Now our isolation centers are even getting full. So what I will encourage is that if you see any symptom of loss of, change of smell and also loss of taste, kindly, if you're in Kumasi, you can call me. My number is 0200263890. I guess there are also other doctors on this platform. You can call them. Everybody is willing to help, I'm sure. Then I'll still encourage that we keep taking our vitamins. Vitamin C, 1,000 milligram with zinc. There's a dispersible like that. I don't have it around. I would have shown it to you. But I think we can take them at least once a day. You eat good food, more of the vegetables. Reduce your alcohol intake if you can't stop. Do a bit of exercise. And anytime you feel a so-called unwell, just report at the hospital. If you want to have a COVID test done for a reason, kindly call me. I'll assist you to do that. So this is just a word of admonition, encouragement, and a bit of education about this virus. What you and I have to realize is that it's not everybody who presents with the so-called mild symptoms or Yes, or the pre-symptoms. Now they are saying pre-symptoms. Others move straight away to the ARDS. Others present as pulmonary embolism. And this is a silent death. So don't take COVID-19 infection lightly. And let's continue to use our face mask. Some can go for the surgical or the N95. Others, sometimes I do it double because of the kind of work I do at my clinic and all that. So I will just have to say this small thing that COVID-19 is real. The numbers are soaring. There are a lot of people around us who have turned positive. And those places like the markets, the salons, probably the barbering shops, I may say, and then the banks. I mean, when you go, the way we handle money and all that. For some of the clients that I've had, I would say that most of them might have picked it from there. Careful. Let us cherish our lives. Don't let us say that the mortality rate is low. Every person matters. Everybody is important. And every life matters. So imagine you've lost your husband, your wife, your child, your grandma, whoever. Everybody is dear to us. Let us stay together as a group and encourage each other. But if there are any medical issues, I mean, all the other doctors on the platform, Esther, I think Becky, myself, Ivy, Ajeni Boateng, and others. I may not remember all of them, but anybody who is a medical doctor there, I'm sure can be consulted to assist you. If you're in Kumasi here, you can call me, Ivy, and we are busily working here. And we believe that together we can help Mother Ghana. God bless us all, and let's stay together. Bye.